Hello and welcome back. Now it's time to solve our quiz on variables. I hope you tried to solve by yourself and you learned while you tried. If you haven't enough time to do that, please, before moving on with the solutions, please try by yourself and then join me. Being said that, let's do this in progress and go to Jupyter Lab. 10 questions quiz variables. The first section is general syntax. Question 1, fill in the blanks to print hello world. This is the statement. I will write print hello world. If I run this, it will print hello world. Question number 2, fix the typo. Typo means coding error, by the way. Fix the typo here. There is an error here. The starting quotation doesn't end correctly. We have to fix this as double quotes, so it's okay now. Question number 3, convert below line into a command line. If I write this here, it will give me an error, as you see, because let me change this to code. It will give me an error because this is not a Python syntax, so I have to convert it to command line. It's now okay. And sorry, this one should be marked down. And now come back to question number 4. Convert below lines into command line. Now this time we want multi-line commands. How was we doing multi-line commands? With a pair of 3 double quotes. If I run this, then this is a multi-line command. Question number 5, print the text exactly below as it's shown. This is the text. We can do it in 2 ways. Let me do it both. The first way, I will print this as a whole with multi-line string, as you see, multi-line command. I will copy this and put this here. And now if I run this, of course Jupyter Lab will change this, but if I put it here, a print outside this, if I wrap this in print, this one, now if I run again, it will exactly print what I want. Let me put this here, much more better. Okay, this is the first way. Let me put this in command. The short way is, the shortcut is control division, control divide. It will put all in command. The shortcut for command is control plus divide. Okay, it toggles actually. Control divide, it toggles. Okay, second way. Now I will print each line one by one. I will copy this. I will print this, as you see. Now again, I will print the second one. Who in the world am I? That's the great puzzle. It's from Alice in Wonderland. And the third and last, sorry, I miscopied this. This is the whole line. This one with extra tabs before that at the beginning. And now if I print these 3, as you see, it will also print exactly as I wanted. Okay, now we come to Python variables. Question number 1, create a variable named car model and assign the value Volvo to it. Now I will create a variable named car model and I will assign the value Volvo to it. That's all. And if I write car model, you will see it will print as Volvo. Question number 2, create a variable named x and set its value to 50. That's x and its value is 50. If I print x, it's here. Question number 3, create 2 variables, x and y, and assign them 20 and 50 respectively. Create another variable z, assign it to x plus y, and print z. As you see, it's already here, the hint. X is 20, y is set to 80, z is equal to x plus y, and I will print z. as 100. Question number 4. Remove the forbidden characters from the variable name. Remember, we had rules. We had rules for creating variable names. So I will copy this. First, you cannot start with numbers. I delete this. Second, you cannot use this symbol, which is minus symbol. I change it to underscore. Third, you can not use multiplication symbol, which is asterisk. Again, I delete this. Fifth, which is the best use case, not exactly rule. You shouldn't use non-Unicode. Sorry, you shouldn't use non-ASCII characters, non-English characters. You should only use English characters. So I divide this. Sorry, I delete this. I don't want it. And I will print. This one is beta. So I fixed the error in the variable name. Question number 5. Fill in the blanks to assign 3 variables at the same time. That's interesting. First, let me show you what you will do, what you should first while starting the programming. You will do this. X is equal to Python. That's okay. Y is equal to also Python. That's also okay. And Z is equal to Python. And now I'll print X and I will print Y and I will print Z. It's all Python. Okay, that's okay, but this is not we are looking for. We are looking for we are looking to assign 3 of them at the same time. Okay, there's a shorthand in Python. You can say X assign Y, assign Z, and to Z assign Python. You will see you come from right to left. First, Python will assign Python to Z. Then this Z will be assigned to Y, which is also Python. Then this Y will assign to X. So if I make this command line, control division, and if I run this one more time, you will see exactly X and Y and Z are also Python. So you can do the assignment in Python in one line assignment. That's all about our quiz. The next section is about functions. Join me in the functions.